Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN on any Android. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, there are two ways. One is a bit complex and second one is easy. The complex one is open up your phone settings. Now after opening up your phone setting, you have to search for VPN or you guys have to tap on network and internet. And here you guys can be able to find an option which is VPN. Now you have to tap on it. Now, here it will provide you a list of all VPNs which you have installed in your phone, or you guys can manually connect with a VPN by tapping on plus button. Now you guys have to put all of this information. After putting all information, you guys can be able to connect with a manual VPN. But it is complex one, and I'm telling you the easiest one. So the second method is you have to open up Play Store. After opening up your Play Store, you have to search for VPN. And it will provide you a list of all VPNs, and I am selecting the free one, and it is best one VPN for free users. So you just have to install it. After installing it, you just have to open it. After opening up, it will take some time. Here you have to tap on the cross button. Now you guys have some pretty options, and you have to just tap on here, and here you guys can be able to change VPN location. And let's suppose I'm selecting as US, and after selecting the location, you guys have to tap on connect. After tapping on connect, it will take some times, and here you guys can see your VPN is connected. Now you guys can be able to browse or apps you want to unlock. In order to verify your VPN is connected, you guys have to just swipe up and just scroll down, and here you guys can see this device is connected to Super VPN. In this way, you guys can be able to verify that your VPN is connected or not. Another thing is you guys can check the key option which is on top notification panel. By checking on that key option, you guys can be able to verify that your VPN is connected. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.